Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if your ZTE Blade V70 Vita is overheating while charging. First of all, it's completely normal if you're using a fast charging cable with your device, and if you want to improve heat dissipation, just remove the case from your smartphone and move to a better ventilated area. This should fix the issue. Besides, to fix heating of your device, go to settings, then check the battery menu in here and see the apps AI control. First of all, scroll down right here and check the app the battery usage by applications and see which applications use up the most of your battery. And to limit the battery consumption for this application, go to apps AI control, then select an application that you want to limit and change the automatic value for 3 of these options to not allowed. This way you'll prevent this application to basically use up your resources in the background. Okay. Besides, use original charger and cable, as they will cause much less overheating for your device, and avoid using your smartphone while it's charging, especially in terms of gaming, as gaming will definitely not only overheat your device, but it will also damage your battery if you're charging your smartphone in the process. And that's pretty much it. Hope that you liked this video, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.